Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this herbal hair oil. This is packed full of important nutrients and vitamins, which will help to encourage stronger and healthier looking hair. So to begin making this formula today, the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add some of this rosemary oil to my beaker. Now this particular rosemary oil has been infused, but it also incorporates rosemary extract along with rosemary essential oils. By combining the rosemary infused oil with the rosemary extract and the essential oils, this will help to make this finished product more potent. And what rosemary does for the hair is it will help to increase blood flow to the scalp. It will also help to protect the hair from environmental damage, and it's great for encouraging new hair growth as well. I know I'm going to get a lot of you asking me if you really need to combine those three, and the answer is no, you do not. I like to because it makes it more potent. With that being said, you can go ahead and use some rosemary herbal oil instead, and it will work well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add one of my carrier oils, and this particular one is almond oil. Almond oil is one of those ingredients that's very beneficial when it comes to maintaining and having healthy looking hair, and that is because it contains nutrients and vitamins such as biotin and magnesium. What biotin does for the hair is it actually strengthens the hair follicle, which is great, especially if you're wanting to regrow hair or have new hair growth. So with magnesium is involved in the process of creating keratin, which will help to give the hair some strength and make it look healthy. It also helps to improve blood flow to the scalp. I'm now going to go ahead and add some lavender extract to my beaker. This particular extract is oil soluble, and it is not to be confused with lavender essential oils because the two are different. What this will do for the hair is it will help to increase blood flow to the scalp, but it will also help to strengthen and condition the hair. So not only with this ingredient are we encouraging new hair growth, but we're also helping that new hair to be strong and healthy. This next ingredient that I'm adding to my hair oil is actually my second carrier oil in this formula, and it is sunflower oil. I am choosing to use sunflower oil as one of my carrier oils today because it is a lightweight oil, it is fast absorbing, and it is non-greasy. Sunflower oil is very high in antioxidants, which makes this oil great for use on the hair. And what this does is it will create an outer layer that will coat the hair strands, and it will add moisture to the hair. It also keeps the hair protected from, say, heat or environmental stressors. It's great for improving dandruff on the scalp, as well as really helping to control any breakage or any tangles that you might find present in the hair. This particular sunflower oil is cold pressed, and that's actually what you want. And what that simply means is all the important nutrients have not been extracted from the seed itself, so it's been left there, which means you're going to get a product that really is the best quality. Rosehip oil is the next ingredient that I'm adding to my beaker. What this will do for the hair is it will help to moisturize it. It will help to strengthen the hair strands. And then for the scalp, just like it will do for the skin, say on the face, it will help to reduce any inflammation as well as soothe it. Because vitamin E is so important for the hair, I'm going to go ahead and add it now. This will help to soften and protect the hair strands. After adding the vitamin E, I'm going to go ahead and stir this really well. I want to make sure that each and every single one of the ingredients that I've added in the speaker today are nicely incorporated together so that I'm left with this finished product that is very effective. All right, so now that this hair oil has been made, I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my dropper bottle. This formula makes approximately 1 ounce of finished product. And as I'm pouring, I'm going to go over with you how you will use it. So you're just going to take, say, about a dime size amount and put it into the palm of your hand. You're going to rub your palms together, and then starting at the top of your scalp, you're going to gently massage it all the way down to the ends of your hair. And you're going to let this soak and set for about 5 minutes. Once that has been done, go ahead and shampoo and condition and style as normal. I'm going to go ahead today and apply this hair oil to my skin. I know it sounds silly, but hear me out. The reason I'm doing it this way is because it's so much easier, especially on video, for me to show you this on the skin versus the hair. Now, the reason that I'm also showing you me applying it on my skin is because I want to give you a good idea on the spreadability of this product and also how well it absorbs. Before I end this video, let me share with you any substitutions that I would recommend. For the almond oil, use argan, grapeseed, or jojoba oil. For the rosehip oil, you can use borage. For the lavender extract, you can use mint extract. Just make sure it's oil soluble. And then for the sunflower oil, you can go ahead and use safflower oil. Now for the rosemary infused oil, there is no alternative in this formula. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.